So this is the Euro-Japanese yen analysis for Friday the 9th of March. Now, let's have a look at prices, where price may likely go. So previously we had price head up towards at 32.02, found resistance. We've also had this descending resistance here as a 400 period moving average. At prices retraced from the 32.02, tested the 400 period moving average, retraced all the way down towards this 13.94. Retested the 31.70 and the 400 period moving average, had a brief negative reaction from which we did see a move beyond the 400 period moving average, came pretty close towards this 32.02, and again we did see pretty sizable rejection here of the 32.02 level, even though we didn't quite get there. We did have prices trade all the way down towards this 30.60 level previously identified in around the 30.60 mark. And from there, we did see the bullish buy side momentum return, trading above 30.94, trading all the way up to this 400 period moving average. Now, at this 400 period moving average, as you can see, we've encountered some resistance, but we potentially have a bull flag. We'll see how this plays out. And we do have the bull flag. We're looking for a break towards this for a test of the 31.70. 31.70 is a very strong major level, marked out here in red. So we could potentially see further sell side momentum, but due to the fact that we have tested on quite a few occasions now, we're possibly looking for a break to the upside. If we do break above 31.70, we are looking for price head up towards our 32.02. Successful break from which we're looking for price head up towards our 32.83. And if we do have sufficient market volatility, 33.45 may come into focus. Now, if we were to find resistance at 31.70 or 32.02, we're looking for price to head down towards our 30.94, also down to our previous low here in around 30.60, major level marked out here in red. If we're unable to find support there, we're looking for 29.95 and a break from which we're looking for price to head down towards that 20.45. 129.45, the very next major level here. As we are trading at 131, would require quite a bit of market volatility to get all the way down to this 129.45. So 129.95 may just be the far end of the range to the downside on the euro against the yen. Now, with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro yen analysis. We do appear to be in a bit of a trading range here. So if I just grab the pen, you can see it's pretty clear the trading range that is developing here. Lower end of the trading range being around at 30.60, upper end of the trading range being around at 31.70, even though we've traded above it a few occasions here, with the far end of the range being up towards that 32.02. We are, let's just, so if we have a look here, we are spending most of our time here closer to the upper end of the trading range, but potentially we have a lower high forming here. So if we can't break and hold above the 400 period moving average, looking for a retest of the lows in around 30.60, not able to find support again, we're looking for prices to head downwards. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.